Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this 2-inch hair into a beautiful French coil. You would want to watch to the end to see the results. So as you can see, my client's hair is really short, so I had to apply gel. I used X Block gel for the hair. After applying it and patting it into the section I want it to come out as, you guys know how hard it is to catch a short hair, especially a short 2-inch hair. So after I cut it, I pat it and then I comb. You want to make sure you hold it very well because it can be very slippery and it's not easy. It wasn't easy at all, but somehow I was able to do it. So you first of all start by making the natural hair. So after holding it down and it's secure, then you can take your French coil and attach it just like that. Then you continue braiding for a few times. I think I did this about 3 times before I took another extension and then I added it. And then you make sure you hold it very well, because if you don't hold it well, it's going to slip and it's going to come off, and then you have to restart the whole process again. Then when you're doing this, take your time. You don't need to rush. You take your time and you do it gently. Just keep attaching it till you get to the length you want it to be. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to start leaving out a few strands out to give it that look, that French coil look, full boho look. So I leave out a few strands. Okay, so what I do is at the first 3 to 4 or 5 rows at the back, I leave out just 3 to 4 strands out. But then when I get to the front of the hair, from the third line at the front, I start leaving out 5, and at the front I make sure I leave out 5 to 6 hair out. I don't know if you understand me. That's what I did, so that it can be full and give it that effect. And to tie it down, this hair is very slippery, so you can't just tie it down. You have to apply something. So I use super glue to tie it down. When I tie it, I apply a little drop of super glue to hold it there. So that's what I did there. Okay, so in order for me to explain that again, I'll just wait. Then it gets to that part of the video, I'm going to show you, explain it all over again. So now I'm just cutting the hair, and then I'm just going to keep repeating the same process of cutting it. Make sure you cut your client's hair neatly. Someone once told me when I was still learning hair that the beauty of a hair begins from the parting. When you part your hair, you cut it very clean, and then people can see your scalp. That's where the beauty begins. Make sure you cut the scalp very clean. That's always the priority for me, making sure my client's scalp is always cut clean and neat. Okay, so I'm going to add super glue. After leaving out, I'll just add a little drop of super glue just there. And then when you add it, just blow air into it or leave it for a few seconds before leaving it on your client's hair, and that's it. It's secure, it will not lose. And yes, guys, so this was the final result. Very beautiful. My clients really, really, really loved it. The hair was so full, and I liked how it was bouncing. It was so beautiful. She loved it so much. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm sure you found it helpful, and it's doing me a lot of good. If you please can just like, comment, and share the video. Thank you very much. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video. And if there's any other tutorial you guys want me to drop for you, to make for you, you can just leave it in the comment section, and I'll make a tutorial on how I achieved it. Bye.